Welcome to another slice of unboxing paradise, and today the slice is the RODE VideoMic Go II. Now this Go II I bought for my YouTube production, and let's have a look at some of the features. 2-year warranty, highly directional, 3.5mm output, digital USB output, iPhone, Android compatible. It's a shotgun mic. It does do 3.5 and USB output simultaneously. The apps give you more features. And it comes with the mic, the shock mount, a foam windshield, a 3.5mm cable, for USB-C devices, and it's got all these Apple devices that it's compatible with. I'll be using it primarily on an S21 Ultra and an old Canon SLR. This does not come with the Lightning or USB-C or USB-A. I already have a USB-C. And so that's the outside of the box. Let's get ready and unbox. Unbox in style. For this slice of unboxing paradise, the Leatherman Wingman has jumped in to allow us to unbox easily. Yes, I need to tune up my Leatherman. Spin it around and it should just slide right out. And a less fancy inner box, which is also mostly like the outer box. Let's see. Okay, it opens from this side here. Oh, wow, it comes apart in a few different ways. So there it is. Take out the accessories first. There's the shock mount, and with its 1/4-20 threaded attachment point here. I believe this is metal and plastic. I think this is mostly plastic, whereas on the NTG it's metal. This is metal, this is plastic, this is, you know, a shock mount type material. So there's the shock mount. Looks nice. Not super heavy duty, but not cheap either. The windscreen. Nice big logo. RODE does this with its logo, you know. Big on the windscreen. There's the mic itself. Oh yeah, the quality feels pretty good. It's got a nice little QA sticker. There's the 3.5, the USB-C. It is mostly plastic, but it's a nice feeling plastic. And then last and important for my application of the SLR is the 3.5mm cable. It's like one of those little flat style cables, and you know, it's designed very short, designed to go right on your camera or phone setup. That is tough. So not very long. I'd say close to a foot. Also came with this documentation, regulatory and safety guide. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. Wow, they typoed the box here. Register for your 2-year warranty. Smartphone mic only, knocking on wall. Okay, the video mic is hooked up now, and I'm knocking on the wall away from the mic. And now I'm coming towards the mic. We see if it'll drown out that noise. Using this keyboard. So we're gonna see how directional this mic is. This is kind of another sync test for the mic between the SLR and the S21. The 3.5mm output was tested and works. Due to a specific issue with my older Canon DSLR camera, audio quality is not good. To clarify, this is not a problem with the RODE VideoMic Go II. My Canon DSLR has very aggressive amplification, which makes for noise in the audio track until I switch cameras or find a fix. The mic does output audio over both USB-C and 3.5mm interfaces at the same time. In the future, I may have a video for RODE apps on Android and Windows. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.